amigos, Hannah from Speak Better Spanish here. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between venir and llegar in Spanish. So there are some situations where they have a very similar meaning and can even possibly be used interchangeably, but a lot of time they're actually going to have two distinct usages and meanings. And if you remember the English translation, that's going to help you to know when to use each one, because it does very much follow the patterns we would use when we would use them in English. So for example, venir means to come and llegar means to arrive. So it is similar, it is tricky, I get it, but here's an example that helps to differentiate them. Ya vienes would literally mean, are you coming already? But the closest thing in English would be like, are you on your way? Versus, ya vas llegando, are you almost here? Or like, are you almost arriving? So in those cases, like, it's different because the vienes is like, are you on your way? Like, are you moving here? And the llegando is, are you almost here? And so the answers could be totally different, right? Because if you are on your way, but maybe not necessarily arriving, you would say, ya voy, yeah, I'm coming. If you are actually almost there, and you're also on your way, ya estoy llegando, I'm almost arriving, like I'm literally almost right there. So when we think of venir as to come and llegar as to arrive or to get there, those two little meanings help us a lot to differentiate when we're going to use one versus the other. So I hope this helps to clear up venir versus llegar. I know they can still be very confusing, as can be a lot of things in Spanish, but I would love to have you practice, write a sentence below, or two sentences, one with venir and one with llegar, in a way that we can tell what the meaning is that differentiates them from each other. I would love to have you practice for that, and thanks for tuning in, guys. See you in the next video. Ciao!